A Robot by Boston Dynamics. Let's see what Boston Dynamics has been doing, chat. Pushing over these robots and all that crazy, horrible stuff. They're going to come back, chat. They're going to be like, oh, you want to push me, huh? You remember that time back in the 1986? You pushed my great-great-granddaddy toaster? That's how that works, chat. Didn't Google used to own this? This corporation? See that, chat? Oh, man, this is so cool. Oh, he's taking a knee. You gotta learn to crawl before you can walk, and then you can dodge a wrench. You might be able to dodge a ball, but for now, you gotta learn how to dodge a wrench. It looks fake, but it's not, though. It just... Oh, man, this is so cool. I can't wait. I can do that, chat. Like the whole walking thing, I can do that. Oh, he lost a piece. No way. You heard it. I freaking love... I'm gonna watch another one, chat. I'll watch another one.
Okay, trying again.
All right. Zooming in 3, 2, 1.
You feel bad for robots that never know the experience of eating a Klondike bar?
People are so interested in human
Yeah.
robots today is
The pain.
the promise of a truly flexible robotic solution that can switch between tasks and applications in a way that we just haven't seen before in robotics.
Yeah.
The world was built for humans, and the huge promise of humanoids is that they will be able to enter into those human-built environments and immediately add value.
The previous generation.
Man, robots are so cool, chat. I can't wait to see more of them.
And so that made it a really interesting research platform for us to explore the limits of whole body control.
I can't even do a backflip.
Downsides to hydraulics as well, right? They're very complex, they're quite expensive, they're difficult to maintain, and they're messy. Right? Our old lab used to have a thin coat of oil on it at all times. And we got to the point in our humanoid development where we realized that using the battery technology that we developed on the previous generation of Atlas, and by building our own electronic actuators, that we could build a humanoid that was strictly faster, strictly stronger, and more compact, and less messy. Just manipulating objects is something that...
Imagine being King Remedy says, imagine being a robot not knowing the joys of drinking and driving with Taylor Swift on a subwoofer. That's crazy.
Train our control system so that we know how to predict what's going to happen, and we know how to send commands.
Chat, I taught Atlas everything he knows.
In order to achieve manipulation tasks.
That means he's really good at Elden Ring.
And part of the exciting work that is happening in AI and that we're doing ourselves as well is trying to...
I got that camera, chat. I got that exact camera.
Generating now from all of our robots, whether they're deployed out in the real world, whether they're in our labs, or whether it's being generated in simulation, in order to train models that have a similar ability to generalize and a similar ability to error correct when trying to do fundamentally new manipulation tasks. And I think that's one of the places where I would expect AI to significantly change.
This beefy boy on TikTok says, I'll take your word for it. All right.
The next couple of years.
Sequencing is a logistics task in the automotive
All righty, chat.
world that was
I just wanted to look at a little bit of robot action, chat. I wanted to see what the world of robot. I haven't seen any like robot stuff for a while, so I didn't really plan to go this long. We're looking at some robot videos, but this is really cool, man. Oh man, the future of robot stuff is gonna be cool. In the future, chat, when they categorize when they categorize like androids, they're gonna just call them robot stuff because I'm a patent it. I'm a patent it said. Put that on my tombstone, chat. Robot stuff. Anyway.